What is up, guys? Real Awesome here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's content, we are going to talk about why I buy this Mazda MX-5. Without further ado, let's dive into it. So the big reason why I bought this car is because of the price tag. Siyempre, this is a little cheaper compared to the Toyota 86. And sa tingin ko, going with this car or buying this car is a good decision. And don't get me wrong, this looks pretty damn good. Just like the Toyota 86. However, when you're inside this car, it gives you a different vibe. Why? Because this is a convertible car. So naka-top down siya, guys. So when you're inside it, it's different. Iba talaga yung feeling compared to those cars na hindi nata-top down. So iba talaga. And going inside this car, you have very classy, classy looks. The interior is premium. Okay siya. And because of its size, small space, yung aircon niya, kayang palamigin yung buong space na to ng napakabilis. So, even if you're parked sa medyo tirik na tirik ang araw na lugar or nabilad yung sasakyan mo, you don't need to worry about the car, you know, or cooling the car. Kasi, napakadali lang ng aircon maglamig dito sa loob. So, yun yung kagandahan nitong auto na to. Aside from that, of course, yung nito, guys, yung ground clearance. Surprisingly, napakaganda ng ground clearance nito. You don't need to worry about yung mga humps sa mga subdivision or anywhere. Kasi ang ground clearance nito talagang hindi ka mag-worry talaga na baka mamaya sasayad ka sa ilalim. Which is, yun naman talaga yung kadalasan na iniiwasan ng mga mabababang sasakyan. And, of course, you have the, um, yung mga, yung mga nasa loob, which is the infotainment. Yung infotainment nito, guys, this is also incorporated with a Boss speakers, and we all know Boss is really good. Maganda ang quality ng speakers nila, and yung sounds nito, guys, napaka premium. Of course, you have leather seats. Napaka classy nung kulay nito, naka beige siya. And ano pa ba? Syempre, guys, yung gustong-gusto ko talaga sa sports car, of course, the layout of this car with two-seaters. Kasi that's, it's like a true roadster feel na kayo lang talaga ng auto. It's just you, your passenger in case na meron, and the car. So ganun lang, ganun siya kaganda. So getting this car, I believe this is not only driving from point A to point B. It's like every day, it's like an event pag nagda-drive ka dito. Parang even though you're driving fast or you're driving slow, it feels like lagi kang lagi kang mabilis. So ganun siya ang feeling niya because of the ground clearance nga, yung parang yung seat niya medyo mababa din. Kaya parang feeling mo, kahit naka 80 ka lang, feeling mo, ang bilis mo na. So, that's actually how it feels. And plus, you have good looks sa exterior niya. Napaka-premium din ng itsura niya, guys, ng exterior. So, wala talaga akong masabi with this car. So if you're looking for a car that is a head turner, this is really the one. And I think that's it, guys, for today. And I'll show you on the next vlog kung anong mga naikabit ko na dito. Okay, so again, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video. And thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, peace.